guys, my name is Juliana Palencia, aka JeweJeweBee, and today I have an updated wash and go routine for you guys. So I've been getting lots of questions about which products I use and my new hair routine since I got my hair cut, as some of you guys probably know. I love this hair routine so much because not only does my hair feel so soft and moisturized, it smells really good, and also my wash and goes last a week. And this is day one hair, and even though it's super big and voluminous, it can last a whole week because it's so moisturized and it really keeps all of that moisture all throughout the week. So if you like to see how I get my hair voluminous, soft, moisturized, and smelling good, then just keep watching. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook, and they're all at JeweJeweBee. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, comment your current favorite hair product, and let's just get into it.
Welcome to my shower. So today is a wash day, and as many of you guys know, I like to wash my hair every 3 to 4 days. I created this routine because I realized that usually around day 5 or 6 my hair starts to get dry. So to keep my hair really moisturized and defined at all times, I like to wash it the day before it typically gets frizzy and dry. After wetting my hair, I'm going to take my Deva Curl Wash Day Wonder, and this is a pre-cleanser. This step is a part of the condition, wash, condition method where you moisturize your hair before cleansing it and then you moisturize it again. So I like to take this all over my hair and work it through just to get that moisture back into my hair. And then next, I'm not going to detangle it. I'm just going to kind of smooth it into my hair and also help to remove any of the excess shed hair. The cleansing process usually creates some sort of tangles in my hair because I'm scrubbing my scalp and also cleansing it. So this step just really helps to add moisture back into my hair so that my hair doesn't feel super stripped when I'm cleansing it. And then next, I'm just going to rinse it all out and then move on to cleansing. So I'm going to be using my Deva Curl No Poo Decadence, and this, guys, really helps with not having my hair feel stripped, because I've used quite a few cleansers where my hair feels really stripped or just super tangled afterwards, and this is so gentle and my hair actually feels really moisturized when I use it. So I like to work it all into my scalp, especially the front, because you guys know that I love styling my edges, and I do it like every day. So I make sure I get all of the product buildup from my scalp, and then I also like to take the shampoo down the length of my hair. This really helps for me to get those fresh and clean wash and goes without any product buildup, because the last thing that I want is to spend all this time styling my hair and then to have like little white flakes over it. So to prevent that from happening with my Eco Styler or heavy creams that I use, I like to always smooth my shampoo down the length of my hair to just kind of loosen up all of the products so that I can rinse it out in the water. To condition my hair, I'm going to be using my Trader Joe's Nourish Spa or Nourish Spa. I don't know why I say Nourish. Maybe I heard someone say that, but that's like how I pronounce it. But I'm going to take the Nourish Spa and take lots of it to apply all over my hair to condition and detangle. I've been using this conditioner probably for like the past 8 years because A, it works so well. It has loads of slip and it's super creamy. And then B, it is just so cheap. If you guys follow me on IG, you may know, if you see my IG stories, that I literally bought like 9 of these. Like, I stocked all the way up on them because it's just a really great conditioner. And if there's one product I say that you don't have to spend lots of money on, it's conditioner, because you want to use lots of it so that you can get the optimal amount of slip while you're detangling, and then also you're just gonna wash it down the drain at the end anyways. So that's why I like to use my $3 super effective conditioner.
Hey Siri, play my Ratchet playlist.
So that's what goes on behind the scenes while I'm recording. That's my favorite song, I Think I Love Her by Gucci. I want to know what your favorite song is, so let me know down in the comments below. So now is on to deep conditioning, and I'm going to take my Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Hair Mask. This is a super hydrating deep conditioner. My hair feels so soft, like extremely soft and moisturized when I put it on. And I really like that I don't need like a ton of it on my hair, just a little bit does the trick. I've never been the biggest fan of deep conditioners because I felt like they were just an extra product to spend money on, and I've always been really cheap. But honestly guys, since I've been incorporating deep conditioning into my hair routine, I really have noticed a difference, and my wash and goes last a lot longer. So after leaving the deep conditioner on for 25 minutes, I rinsed it out with cold water. And that's also something that I've been recommended to do, and it really helps to make my hair feel really shiny and defined. So the next step is also a new addition to my routine, and this is the Apogee Keratin and Green Tea Restructure. This is just to add some protein into my hair routine because, as you guys can see, I use really moisturizing products, and I just like to add a bit of protein just to prevent breakage and to keep my hair really strong. So now is on to my leave-in and stylers. I'm going to be using my Carol's Daughter Coco Cream Coil and Enhancing Moisture Butter. And as you guys just saw, it's super thick. It's not like one of those thin, runny leave-in conditioners. It's really thick and creamy. And since I got this product, I've used it almost every single wash and go. This has become one of my key products for my wash routine because it really is super thick consistency, and it's really creamy and moisturizing, which I love. As you guys know, I love those thick products. And then next, I'm going to be taking my Eco Styler Gold and using that as my gel and styler. What I love about this, guys, is that it doesn't flake at all. So I've never, even if I use the thickest, creamiest products, I haven't had any flaking on my hair. And also I love that it's super moisturizing. So on top of using a super moisturizing leave-in conditioner, I like that I can have a styler that is equally as moisturizing but also gives my hair lots and lots of hold. During the winter time, I can usually get away with not using gels on top of my leave-in conditioners because it's pretty low humidity. But when the spring and summertime comes, that's a key part of my hair routine because it really helps to keep my curls defined and to make my wash and goes last with the high humidity. Because I have a lot of hair, it's really important for me to work in sections and to spend lots of time just raking the product through my hair and making sure that I coat all of my strands. My favorite method to apply my products is the raking method, where I just rake the products through my hair from roots to ends. However, if you are desiring more definition, you can try the shingling method. Oh my gosh, my dog. She's okay, guys. But the shingling method, finger coils, or also using a Denman brush. So because my hair is naturally really thick, as you can see on the left, that's my hair with no products and it's dripping wet. I love using those thick and creamy products to weigh my hair down and to get my wash and goes to last longer than a day. If you have thinner hair, or if your hair has a tendency to get weighed down, I highly recommend using a more liquidy product or a more watery product and a less of a creamy product so that you can get your desired results. If you're interested in how I do my edges, then definitely check the description box. I'll link that tutorial down below. So once I'm done with my edges, I wrap them with a satin scarf, and then I'm going to air dry my hair for around 3 to 4 hours to allow my product to dry up a bit and my curls to settle, and then I'm going to finish it off with my Dyson Supersonic with the diffuser attachment. My second to last step is to add oil to my hair, and here I'm using the Jane Carter Solution Curl Elixirs. I love to save my oils for the end to seal in that moisture and to just soften my hair and to add lots and lots of shine. So for my volume, I love picking my hair out. If I use lighter products, then I wouldn't necessarily need to pick my hair out, but then my hair wouldn't have any hold and would feel really dry. So I prefer to use heavier products and then to separate my curls with a pick. And I'm left with really, really voluminous, soft hair that has lots of elasticity and moisture.
So here are the final results of my hair routine. I just threw in a little lip to be a little bit more fancy, you know? But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment your current favorite hair products and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye!